Sovelmash was contracted by the Motochrome company to conduct tests and measure performance of the brushless electric motor developed for their customer. Watch the interview with the company's representative in the video. Enjoy watching.
Hello, my name is Aleksey Mishukov. I represent the Motochrome company. We are engaged in developing and manufacturing customized brushless electric motors. We make both motors that operate on the surface for driving electric vehicles, engineering equipment, production mechanisms, and motors that operate under special conditions, underwater, in oil, and other environments. We learned about Sovelmash quite a long time ago from a wide range of sources and have developed great respect by observing their growth, organization, and development of the enterprise and laboratory. Thus, for example, thanks to a very advanced and well-equipped laboratory for testing electric motors, we have come here to test the motor we are making for our customers under different loads and in different modes. In this case, we're testing a traditional brushless motor with permanent magnets. It has two pairs of poles with a diameter of about 150 mm and a power of up to 5 kW. These are the requirements for the electric motor ordered by our customer. It will drive the hydraulic pump and operate under the specified conditions. Today, thanks to the laboratory, the efficiency factor has been measured at various revolutions and loads, and we will be able to draw conclusions about the correctness of the electric motor calculations and adjust its winding. Regarding the first visit to this laboratory, honestly speaking, I was apprehensive about establishing contact and coming here. However, when we arrived, I saw that the employees of Sovelmash were very positive, very friendly. They helped us, provided with everything necessary. We even had to reorder something. In fact, we're doing it now. I recommend it to everyone. To get in touch and arrange a meeting was quite simple. We contacted the head of the laboratory in WhatsApp, agreed on a meeting. We came here to Zelenograd for the first time, just tried it, looked, simply left the car at the entrance. 2 minutes later, we were already in the laboratory, measured the distance between the axes on the bench with our own slide gauges. We understood what washers need to be placed. In fact, most of the adjustment plates were provided for us here. Something like that. On the next day, that is today, the motor is already being run in the test mode. There is that. As for the laboratory equipment, we brought some multimeters and testers with us in order to measure the phase current and revolutions. But we did not need any of them because the laboratory has its own high-precision measuring instruments which are displayed on the measurement panel so that you can get a complete cycle, a complete list of performance parameters right in one form. The parameters include the current consumed by the voltage, the efficiency, and the load created by the load bench, the revolutions. That is, there is no need to do all this manually, the way we usually do it on our premises. We write it down first on a piece of paper, then recalculate in Excel. Everything is done automatically here. Of course, for some dry run tests, our multimeters will be enough. But for more serious tests, it would be difficult to do without this laboratory. Moreover, as we have been told, everything is certified here, so if the terms of reference contain requirements for certification and metrology, then you can get the certificates here, and probably we will get them in the next orders. I hope that today's tests will pave the way for further fruitful cooperation that will consist in mutual assistance in designing, developing motors, and testing, of course. All the best, good luck, interesting days to you!